In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Microsoft OneNote templates. If you've ever found yourself rebuilding the same meeting notes, project pages, or checklists over and over, templates will save you a ton of time. A quick heads up before we start, what I'm showing here works in the OneNote desktop app for Windows, such as OneNote for Microsoft 365 or OneNote 2021-2016. These options aren't available in OneNote for the web or mobile. Begin by creating a new blank page in the section where you want to work. You can click Add Page or press Ctrl+N. Think of this page as your master design. Add the elements you want to reuse every time. A clear title at the top, headings for sections like Objectives, Notes, and Action Items, and any placeholder text you want to guide future entries. You can insert tables for structured data, checklists for tasks, and images or a logo to keep your pages on brand. If you like a specific background, go to the View tab to set a page color or add rule lines for easier handwriting and alignment. Next, still on the View tab, open Paper Size. Here you can fine-tune margins and page setup so your content fits the way you prefer. This is especially helpful if you plan to print or export pages later. When your layout looks right, scroll to the bottom of the paper size pane and click Save Current Page as a template. Give your template a clear name you'll recognize at a glance. Then click Save. OneNote stores it under My Templates in the Templates pane, making it easy to access anytime. To use your template, go to the Insert tab and choose Page Templates. In the Templates pane that opens, expand My Templates and select the one you just saved. OneNote will instantly create a new page using that layout, complete with your headings, placeholders, and formatting. This keeps your notes consistent and reduces setup time to just one click. If you always want new pages in a particular section to start with this layout, set it as the default while saving the template. That way, every time you click Add Page in that section, the template is applied automatically. Keep in mind, the default setting is per section, which is great for separating different workflows like meetings, planning, or research. A couple of quick tips as you build. Keep placeholders short and meaningful, save checklists with unchecked boxes, and choose fonts and colors that are readable. That's it. Your custom OneNote template is ready to streamline your daily work.